Yeah. You must your phone might get wet.
I don't care.
Yeah!
It's been very wet before.
That'll be Uncle David, is it?
Wait, is that the brightness of the light going down? Yeah, I knew I could do that.
Pointing in your direction, honey.
By the way, yes, I am recording.
Oh, how much longer does it go? You've got the longest
You know what I mean? Yeah. You've barely been dead there. You didn't have to put the hard work in.
I got it. Where's the pipe? Where's it? That's the one I've just taken off.
Next to it, the blue one, that one. I tickle. Oh, bloody hell.
Shoulder.
I'll just say it's pretty much flooded. Yeah, flooded.
I can't get it in. It doesn't fit behind the pipe.
What is coming out this time?
I can't get it on. It won't fit behind the bloody outlet pipe. Right, Danny, you try.
I'm holding that.
I'll hold that. Right.